So next test of speed, how fast is airplane. Now this airplane will be FrSky Wantac AR Plus, and I will use Pitot tube, FrSky sensor. Pitot tube will measure real or indicated airspeed. Yes, indicated airspeed. This is speed of movement of a airplane in air without any look at the ground. This is just speed of real flight in the air. This value, IAS, indicated airspeed, is much more useful in most cases than ground speed for flying. Yes, for flying, because when we need to know, for example, maximum speed, stall speed on flaps, etc., we need to know true speed of airplane in the air, not against the ground, but in the air. And Pitot tube will measure this speed. In previous case with P47, I was use GPS sensor, but now I will use Pitot tube. And airplane with 3-cell LiPo battery. Maybe later I will try 4-cell, but now with 3-cell. And I am really curious how fast this airplane will be, because this is fast airplane, small airplane, and now is now is almost dark and is a little bit windy condition. So small airplane, wind and speed, this could be a deadly combination for airplane, for model. So wish me luck and let's go. So again, bigger is better. This airplane is actually it's not big airplane, and now is almost dark, and visibility of this and clarity and visibility of this model during this fly was sometime really horrible, and in a few moments I was really unsure where and how this airplane fly, and I have, because it's windy, because it's some wind, I had tears during fly in my eyes, and in combination with low light it was in a few moments really interesting. But airplane is safely down, and this is important. And second reason why bigger is better, maybe you remember on my test with P47 with GPS speed, with GPS sensor, test of speed of this model. And what do you think? What is faster, this airplane or P47? My opinion, like a pilot, without the numbers, is this is much faster, 50% plus. No, this is not true. This is just smaller, and if smaller is flying with same speed like a bigger airplane, smaller looks like a faster. P47 flies, remember, 136 kilometers per hour, and when I try it later without moved center of gravity, I was almost on 150 kilometers per hour with this light propeller. This airplane was only almost 130. It means less than per 37. This is not a slow airplane, because 130 kilometers per hour with this small airplane is really tricky flying. You must be absolutely concentrated where it go, and of course you must fly when is enough of light. So I think that's all. So I will try it later with fourth cell. Now it is with third cell, but later I will try it with fourth cell, and with fourth cell it will be absolutely more interesting about the speed. But of course I must make this next fly with better light condition and with better wind condition. Perfect would be flying without any wind. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.